In a silent university archive, a mathematician uncovers a chalkboard that rewrites its theorem whenever a question is asked. Each clue links logic puzzles with real-world mysteries, forcing viewers to test assumptions before a twist reveals the deeper pattern. A skeptic challenges a riddle about time, and the answer reframes history as a series of conditional proofs. As the episode unfolds, a narrator guides with careful hints, nudging curiosity without giving away the exact solution. By the end, the audience realizes clever reasoning elevates everyday wonder, turning puzzles into practical wisdom.